guys, you know I'm a girl's girl. Pero now kasi mature, parang hindi pala lahat deserve ng same energy. Dati kasi, I used to preach talaga yung supporting girls no matter what. But now, parang may mali. So here's a list of girls na hindi ako girl's girl. First is homewreckers. I mean, kailangan ko pa ba i-explain? Of course, di nila deserve yon because girlhood is supposed to be soft and respectful to other girls. But kinross pa rin nila yung line, so next, pick me girls who put other girls down for attention. Basta yung typical na, I'm not like other girls, tas may pagka-condescending sa tone. I mean, you can be unique naman. You don't have to fit in. But if yung intention mo is mang bring down ng other girls, that's not personality, girl. Third, girls who expose your secrets for clout. Ayoko talaga yung mag-pinky promise tayo. Tapos malalaman ko, sinabi mo sa iba. Like, girl, I trusted you. Tapos malalaman ko, sinabi mo sa random na tao. Last, girls who only support you when you're doing worse. I also hate it kapag nandyan lang sila when you're not doing well. Pero kapag may achievement ka, super silent nila. Wala man lang congrats. Or kahit like ng story, I mean, kung viewer siya, tapos di ka man lang pinansin, ang off niya for me. So yeah, I'm still a girl's girl, pero not to everyone na.